Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
There it is. Another Spam recipe. Oh, this is with a fresh farmer's market tomato. We got 3 eggs. I'm gonna give those a good little beating. And some shredded cheddar. Mike Foster here. Today, it's a Spam scramble, a Spam grow. Scramble. I'll figure out how to pronounce it by the end of the video, I hope. But this is gonna be fast, simple, easy, and delicious, and a good way to use Spam. Get a little protein to start the day. Let's put this baby together. I'm gonna cut this tomato first. I'm just gonna give it a nice dice. And just give it nice cubes, just like that. That's gonna bring some freshness to this savory scramble. I'm gonna give these the same kind of size, cubes like this. That's all you need of this, Spam. And let's just put it together like that. Baba. Stack them up, cube them up like that. Okay, I'll meet you at the stove, put this scramble together. All right, this is medium. I'm just gonna put just a little oil. Get the Spam going. You're just gonna warm this up, get a little brown on it. And then I'll show you what I do next. While that's cooking, get a good mix about on this, just like that, that's fine. All right, Snappy Spammy is getting ready. Let's add these tomatoes. Oh, there's tomatoes, love it. And the eggs. It's the Spam scramble. Let's just start pulling it in. You're keeping this a little less than medium. We can give it a little pepper. Just flip it around. Be glad you put the tomatoes in to give it a little contrast. The Spam is very, what's the word? Spammy. No, it's very savory. While this is still going, let's add that cheese. This is cheddar. Fold it in, mix it around, shut the heat off, and when this cheese is melted, this Spam scramble is done. I'll meet you at the counter. There's the close-up of the Spam scramble. Can't wait for a bite. All right, Spam, tomatoes, eggs, and cheese. It's a scramble, but enough talking about it. Let's see if it tastes good. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, it's delicious. Savory from that Spam, creamy from the cheese and the eggs. And the tomatoes give it a nice acidic sweetness, a brightness. Good way to start your day with protein. Try these kind of recipes. Experiment in the kitchen. And check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time. Keep eating your Spam, what? And your eggs. Peace.
Live life 365.
That's not bad. I gotta tell you though, it's 105 degrees outside, and I am sweating. Foster's sweating. I got the AC on. You might hear this in the background. I got a little fan right here. I'm drinking my water. I'm whining. This is Mike whining, Sweet Babu, by the way. But you gotta do what you gotta do. There's worse places to, the weather, things. And I have to make these videos because I like doing it. I gotta go.